So welcome back. Today we'll discuss about testing of the project for the final review. Okay, so first thing SSH. So I have configured SSH in two routers and all the switches. So first let me test SSH from a PC to the router, head office router. You open the router first before you test. No, just I will show the configurations I have done in SSH. When I show run, I can see the username Sohar, password also encrypted, then SSH version is 2, authentication retry 2, timeout is 60, domain name Sohar Aluminum, everything I have done. Now when we test now, so first thing for testing is open any computer. So here opening computer, opening the computer VLAN 10 computer, let it open. Go to command prompt. Now already I have used FTP. I'll quit this. Now, how do we test SSH? SSH minus L. L for Lamia. Okay. Not one. L for Lamia. Space. The username for SSH. So here I configured Sohar. Then what is the IP address of that router's management interface? So here I have configured any IP address of we can give any IP, but to do it properly, give the management VLAN IP address. Okay, so I'll go for Sohar SSH minus L Sohar. The IP address is 192.168.3.193 is the management IP. Then they will ask you password. Password I configured is Sohar123, all small letters. Sohar123. So once you enter, no, you can get the message, welcome message, banner message of this router. Now you want to go back or you want to go to another SSH to another switch or another router, can do from here itself. Okay. Now they are the panel asking you to SSH to the switch, this second switch. Okay. So same SSH. Let's try minus L Sohar, same username. Okay. Sohar space, the IP address of that switch management interface is 192.168.3.194. Enter. The password will be same Sohar123, all small letter. Sohar, you cannot see the password, just you type the password. Now it will take you to Sohar switch, head office switch S1. Okay, so you know how to SSH to router and switches. This is what SSH testing. Now next is FTP testing. Okay, so this is my FTP server. So this FTP, my password is Sohar123, username is Sohar. So how do I test? Go to the computer. So I'll take the same computer. I will exit from here. Exit. Again exit. FTP space the IP address of FTP server. It is 192.168.3.210. Done. Connecting to FTP server. The password is username is Sohar. Okay, password you cannot see the password, just you type Sohar123, all small letter Sohar123. Now I have to create a file, so for that I will close this, go to text editor. I want to type here, hi, this is Rajesh RK. After typing this, go for file, save. So what I will do, I have to give a file name. Already F1 F2 is there, so you have to give the file name, say f3 dot txt. Okay, so f3 dot txt, just okay. I created the file in text editor. Now I want to upload this file. So it's taking few seconds to upload or create. Now close this one. After creating a file, go back to command prompt again. FTP is still open there. Now when I type dir, I can see all the files available in the FTP server. So it's taking time taking the file from the directory, list the files available. See, F1, F2 is already there. Then remaining iOS files. Okay. Now I want to upload this file. So put f3.txt. Now the file transfer is in progress. So based on the size of file, it will take some time. Now 21 bytes only small file. Now I can see the file upload or not in the directory F3J. Now I'll go back to another machine and download this file. Okay, go back to say laptop. Go back to this laptop PT. Go to desktop. Command prompt. FTP space 192.168.3.210. It's a server IP, FTP server IP. This is FTP server. Okay. Now username, password. So waiting for the connection. Now username is Sohar. Password is Sohar123. Sohar123. Now I want to download this file. So get f3.txt. The file will be downloaded from the server. Now where I can see the file, it will be locally available. Go to text editor, file open. See F3, F1, everything is there. F3 is open. Okay, you can see the file name. Okay, this is how FTP is stated. So we did the testing for SSH and FTP. You can do the same in branch office also. FTP is available in branch office here, and SSH also you can do in head office and branch office switches. We did only head office switch and router. You can do the same in branch office router and branch office switch. That you can do. Okay, this is what FTP and which one your SSH. Now we'll go for email. Okay, so next is we have time, we go for email server. This is my email server. This one server is in the head office and the clients are both in head office and branch office. Okay, what are the client? This is client 1, this is client 2, client 3, client 4, client 5, client 6, client 7. Three clients in the branch office, four clients in the head office. Only one email server here. Okay, so what I did in the email server, in the services, I know the IP address is 192.168.3.211. Just I will show you the IP address. This is the IP address. Go to services. This is my email server. I have configured, see, 7 usernames and passwords. Okay, you know already we have done that domain name. Make the services both SMTP and POP on. These usernames, password. Now how do we test this? Okay, I already configured the clients in this machine. So I'll show you one configuration for email client. Open that client. Open the client, and I will show you the configuration. Then we'll go for testing. Okay. So email you click email, then there is configuration here, configure email. Already it is configured. Okay, the username whatever is available in the server, I give one username and with email address and the domain at domain name. Then the email server incoming outgoing, the IP address of same email server. Then the username is Asma, password Asma123. We already know. Then after that we are going to test the email service. You want to compose, click the compose button, send an email to another user. So I'll go for compose button. So I'm going to send to user 3 at Sohar Aluminium. So I want to check the spelling. So this is that one. So I'll copy this one, right? This is the client, right? So this one, copy, paste. Now test email, hello user 3. Send an email. Okay, now go back to user. This is user 1, user 2, user 3. This one. Go for user 3, user 1, user 2, user 3. Okay, so take this user 3, go to email, receive. Okay, let me check this is user 3 or not. Let me check first. I want to check that user, this is user 3 or not. What about this one? Let me check the email client first of all. I didn't check that. So before you start sending, you have to check that. Okay, go to email, configure email, user 2. Okay, and this is user 3. Let me check again. Okay, what about email? Let me check. This is okay. Configure email, user 3 only. Save. Now let me check. It's taking time. What I will do, I'll send an email to user 2. Okay, so from this one, I'll send email to. Okay, this is I think stuck. Okay, I'll send from here, from this machine to user 2. Let me check. I think it takes time. See, that processing is taking time. That's why. I'll go to this machine and try. Go to desktop, send an email, send to not configure, compose, user 3 at the rate mail ID, test, hi user, okay, 2, try user 2, send it, try in user 2 now, go and check. The email is taking some time. Emails are taking time. Okay, what happened here? What about here? See now that email has received from Asma. You got the email. When I click receive, it has received. Okay, it takes some time. Also here, little bit time it took. I don't know. Here also user two also from Gianna. We got the email. Okay, we received the email Asma as well as Gianna. Here user three, you got two email from Asma. This is Asma. Check here the username. Is it Asma or not? Go to email configuration. You can see the email username. Configure email. See Asma. Now we can try to send a reply back to Asma. See, go here, reply, hello Asma. Send it. Also here, sometimes it takes time. So let me try whether it is coming immediately or not. When you click that receive button, it takes few seconds to get that user email from user 3. Okay, so this is how we test the email. Maybe the panel will ask you to add a new username. So you want to add the new username. How to add? You know that. Go to configuration part and add the username, password, incoming email, outgoing email. So what are the email clients we have is now this one, this is two, okay, this is three, this is four, this is five, six, seven. Remaining are not configured. You want, you can configure. Okay, these are client 1, client 2. So still it's taking time, so we'll see. Okay, we'll wait for some few seconds to get that email. So it takes few seconds to get receive the email. Okay, so you can wait. By the time you can check the other things. Okay, this is how we test the email. That is also done.